Welcome to HK Auto Garage, your trusted source for detailed automotive reviews, advanced tech insights, and the latest innovations in global mobility. Whether you're into electric cars, futuristic bikes, off-road machines, or luxury motorhomes, we bring you accurate, in-depth content to help you stay ahead in the world of vehicles. Today, we take a closer look at a surprising entry into the high-end electric RV segment, the all-new 2026 BYD Motorhome. This vehicle combines BYD's electric technology expertise with luxury travel, creating a smart and sustainable living experience on wheels. The 2026 BYD Motorhome marks a major shift in the recreational vehicle market. Known primarily for its leadership in electric vehicles and battery technology, BYD is now applying that innovation to the RV segment. This electric motorhome is designed for the environmentally conscious traveler who also values comfort, space, and intelligent features. With sleek exterior styling and a forward-thinking interior layout, it's not just a vehicle, it's a mobile lifestyle solution. Visually, the BYD Motorhome carries a smooth aerodynamic design that improves efficiency and range. The front end features a futuristic LED lighting signature, a wide windshield for enhanced visibility, and sculpted panels that reduce drag. Integrated solar panels are mounted on the roof to assist with onboard energy demands, and the body is built using lightweight yet strong composite materials to improve overall efficiency. The vehicle rides on 20-inch aerodynamic wheels and features retractable side steps and a fully automatic leveling system, making it easier to park on uneven surfaces. Powering the 2026 BYD Motorhome is a dual-motor all-wheel drive electric system, producing approximately 400 horsepower and instant torque. This allows the motorhome to handle inclines and highway driving with ease while maintaining silent operation. It's equipped with a large 150 kilowatt-hours blade battery, BYD's signature technology, which provides a driving range of up to 500 km on a full charge. Fast charging is supported, allowing the battery to recharge from 20% to 80% in under 40 minutes using high-speed chargers. Regenerative braking further boosts efficiency during travel. Step inside, and the interior instantly reveals BYD's attention to detail. The living area features a contemporary design with premium sustainable materials. Smart LED ambient lighting and modular furniture systems make the interior both elegant and functional. The seating arrangement includes rotating captain's chairs, a convertible lounge space, a foldable dining table, and large panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The full smart glass technology allows privacy, adjustment, and UV filtering. The kitchen area comes fully equipped with an induction cooktop, refrigerator, microwave oven, and ample cabinet storage, all powered by the vehicle's main battery system. And supported by roof-mounted solar energy, there's also a touchscreen control panel for managing energy usage, lighting, HVAC, and multimedia systems. The bedroom features a memory foam double bed, customizable lighting, hidden storage compartments, and independent climate control. The luxury bathroom includes a walk-in shower, toilet with waste management systems, and eco-friendly water-saving fixtures. Technology integration is one of the highlights of the BYD Motorhome. It includes a central control system that syncs with smartphones, allowing you to manage all vehicle functions remotely. It also comes equipped with Level 2 semi-autonomous driving capabilities, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. The digital dashboard includes real-time energy monitoring, GPS-based trip planning, and live weather updates. An AI assistant helps manage routes, find nearby charging stations, even control the interior mood settings based on time of day and activity. Safety is a top priority. Features like multiple airbags, lane departure warning, automatic, emergency braking, blind spot detection, and rear cross-traffic alert. The battery system includes thermal management and crash protection, ensuring reliability on long journeys. The chassis and suspension system are specially engineered to offer a stable ride. Even when the motorhome is fully loaded, the 2026 BYD Motorhome is not just about reaching a destination, it's about redefining the journey. with a clean energy, footprint, innovative design, and high-end comfort. It's tailored for a new generation of travelers who demand more from their adventures, more freedom, more intelligence, and more sustainability. Whether you're camping in the mountains or working remotely from a coastal site, this motorhome offers a perfect mobile lifestyle. If you found this review informative, be sure to subscribe to HK Auto Garage for more expert reviews, future vehicle insights, and first looks at the world's most innovative machines. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.